Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So, pullback we did get yesterday, and these red bars have been fairly big in relation to the move to the upside. So, a couple of things on the cards here. We have broken a trend line. We have had 5 red days in a row now, and we've come back onto structure. And the structure that we've come to visit is 15,781. So if you look to the left, you can see clear bit of structure there, and you can see the buyers were waiting there, looking to pick up some value. Now, if we drill down to the 3-hour, you can see this week has been down and then sort of bouncing around the 155 here, and then eventually dropping below. We've got a crossover. So a couple of things on the cards here. As the first, just get it on the 8-hour, on the 1 hour. So first things first is this area that we've broken through is of interest. So that's the first thing. It's 15,922. If we get above it and form a base, then there is a possibility that we're going to break this trend line that's here at the moment. Just get it in. There it is there. And that would obviously start setting us up for a move back to the upside. The other thing that's on the card, before we get to the other thing, there is a bit of structure here off this level. There was structure off the level previous day, but there are little gaps to the upside, and those gaps are on the 15 minutes. You can see there's one there, there's one there. So it is also possible that those gaps get tested. Then just staying on the 15 minutes, because we have a double bottom and it is a break. So first leg of the double bottom, second leg of the double bottom, there's the neckline. So we've broken above it, and we're looking for a measured move somewhere around there. And then we're looking at a retest of that area, which may have happened last night. Okay, so just come back to the hour. We have gaps to the upside, which is the top of the trend line. So selling off there would make sense. Oscillators are indicating it as well. And we also got the moving averages pointing down at the moment. So I'm not really a fan of shorting at the moment. The higher time frame trend is very much still to the upside. Doesn't matter which way you look at it. If you look at it on the daily, you can see we've pulled back. We're coming up down here. So I'm assuming it's a pullback. That's the way I want to play it. So we'll wait and see what happens today. It's going to be slow because the US markets are closed. So we'll have to wait and see what happens in that first hour of the European session. That's pretty much the only time that you're going to have the trade playing out. So yeah, I think watch this area for continuation to downside, 15,922. Pay attention to those gaps because it can go up there. 15,996. My stop would be above 1,600. So like 16,010 or something like that. That would be my stop area for continuation to the downside. Position size will be very small because we are going against the bigger trend. And we'll basically be looking again, I think, for 15,781. If these two levels that we've got in here, that's 15,922 and 15,874, if price stays above those for the first hour of trading, all bets are off. Then I'm waiting for structure for a move to the upside. That's kind of just the view I have at the moment. Nothing more I can really add, basically. So yeah, just pay attention to these 4 levels because they are critical. You know, getting above this one as well, getting above 1,600 again and defending it, that sets up a bigger move to the upside. But yeah, we may just have to wait for the US to open on Monday at the moment. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.